I'll guide you through how to manage who can see your likes and comments on Instagram Reels within the Friends tab, the easy way. You may decide that you want more privacy over your Instagram activity, especially when it comes to the Reels you like and comment on. If so, you may want to control who can see your likes and comments on Reels, especially within the Friends tab. This tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, subscribe to the 3 Minutes Fix channel and let's jump right in. To start, launch the Instagram app on your phone. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen, then tap the 3 horizontal lines menu in the top right corner to open the Settings and Activity menu. Under the Who Can See Your Content section, tap on Activity in the Friends tab. If you can't find this option, you may need to update your IG app to the latest version. Here you'll see the options to manage the visibility of your liked Reels or those you commented on, especially within the Friends tab. Select Followers you follow back or no one. Choose the option that best suits your privacy preferences, as these are self-explanatory. So there you have it, your guide to managing who can see your likes and comments on Instagram Reels Friends tab. If you found this tutorial useful, please consider giving it a like. If you have any questions, comment below, and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Instagram video tutorials. Thanks for watching.